How to remove email account from Windows 11 PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove an email account from your Windows 11 device. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, right click on the start button and then click on the settings from the pop-up menu. And once you have opened the settings, simply head over to the account section, which can be seen in the left hand side. And once you have selected the accounts, simply scroll down and click on emails and accounts. And now here under the emails and account, you will see a list of accounts that are currently linked to your PC. So simply find the one that you want to remove. In my case, I'm going to remove my Gmail account. So here simply click on the drop down arrow next to the account, and after that simply hit remove button. And after that a confirmation message will pop up. From that message simply click on yes, and that's it. Now you have successfully removed the email account from your Windows 11. And it's that simple. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.